We are making our go-to absolutely delicious dry brined roast turkey, but the kicker is we are roasting the turkey in pieces. So we are breaking the turkey down into individual pieces / cuts prior to roasting. What this is going to do is it's going to cook the pieces super evenly. It's going to be a really quick cooking roast turkey, and every single piece is cooked to its ideal temperature. So every piece is juicy and moist. So what we're doing here to dry brine is we are coating those pieces with our mixture of kosher salt, brown sugar, and winter herbs. The turkey pieces get placed on a wire rack set inside a baking sheet and refrigerated for about 24 hours. Then the day of roasting, we're going to dump all of those juices that are released, and we're going to put tons of aromatics on the baking sheet. We're using celery, garlic, lemon, tons of herbs and shallots, and then we're going to place those turkey pieces right over top. Drizzle each piece of turkey with a little bit of olive oil, and this is going to create the most beautiful golden crispy skin, and you don't have to baste the turkey, so you're saving a lot of babysitting time, which is really nice. And then I like to monitor each piece by temping it occasionally throughout cooking and pull it out as it reaches its internal temperature. The beautiful thing about this recipe is that each piece cooks relatively similar to the next, so they all kind of finish within about 5 minutes of each other. But if you want to monitor them really closely, you can pull them out as they come to temp. And then all of those drippings in the bottom of that baking sheet are going to be used in our gravy. I'm also fortifying it with a little bit of turkey stock I made the day prior with all of the bones and leftover carcass from carving up the turkey. I also finished it with a little bit of our roasted lemon juice from the baking sheet and then some Worcestershire sauce for some savoriness. This turkey is insane. Every single piece is perfectly cooked, it's moist, and that gravy is so luscious. It's the best turkey. I'm gonna try some breast because I feel like that's the true sign. Oh, you can tell it's moist. Tender, full of flavor, and moist. This is the only way to cook a turkey.